Keep going. Keep going. Oh, wow. You are way up there. Keep going.
I'm up the hill already.
You up the hill? Okay, now here's the deal. If you come down, you probably want to go real slow because that hill is going to pick up momentum with that bike. You know what I'm saying?
That hill?
No, the hill you just came up.
This hill?
So if you want to turn around, you make a choice. You want to walk it down till you get a little closer to the bottom, or you want to ride it down because it's going to be really fast.
Oh boy, I don't want to get fast.
All right.
Maybe I don't want to ride my bike. He can go like this.
Okay, well don't push it. Wait, hold on. Yeah, hold on. Okay. Now listen to me. Just coast. You know what that means? Just coast. Just don't pedal hard. Just let it coast. Okay, and I'll be in front of you to keep you from going fast. Okay. Just coast. Don't pedal. Don't pedal. Just coast. There you go. All right. Now, when I tell you to turn, you need to turn. All right. Slow. 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 Very good. Very good. All right. Now turn the wheel so you can come down the hill this way. Push. There you go. All right. Now go slow because you're still on the hill. Very good. Very good.
Now you're off the hill.
You're off the hill, but you still need to go slow. Okay. Slow. Slow. There you go. That's a good job there.
Now you can look down. That was a close one.
All right.
Come on, guys. Look, it even feels like the wind.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. I'm going up the hill again.
All right. Keep going. Go.
Stay over there.
Okay.
Stop following me over there.
All right.